Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today, I'm showing you how you can do this. So, the character's fast, and then when you press shift, it's going slower. And then you can press shift to go sprint again, and then shift again to stop sprinting. And you can just keep doing that until the annoying sticky keys thing comes up. But yeah, that's what's gonna eventually happen if you spam it. But, so now that you know what this script will be doing, let's get into the video. So I'm in a brand new base plate. My account's back, as you guys can see. So everything's going good. So pretty much all you're gonna need to do, you don't need to open these at all unless you need to for your game. But you want to insert a local script into the starter character scripts. Now we're gonna be making some variables. So we're going to be going local user input service equals game get service user input service. No, not that, whatever that is. User input service. There it is. And then you want to go local char, which is short for character, equals script.parent, because it's the starter character script, and it's just going to be automatically going into the player or the character. Then you're going to want to go local humanoid equals char.humanoid. Then we're going to go local is running equals false, which is just like a debounce. Then you want to go user input service dot input began connect. Okay, that you can't do that. Connect function. Then I haven't done this one on the channel, but you want to be running in key, which is looking for which key is pressed. Then you want to go if key dot keycode equals 2, which means we have to put 2 equals there. Enum dot keycode dot left shift. So it's pretty much saying if left shift is pressed, then we're going to be doing another if statement, and then we're going to go if is running equals to false. Then humanoid dot walk speed equals 32, which is actually double the speed. So your character will be walking double the speed. Then you want to be going else humanoid dot walk speed equals to 16, which is just the default. So this should be a script. It's only 14 lines, so it's not too long. And if this one works, guys, you guys have to smash that like button and subscribe. And if you have Discord, join the server. Okay, so we're walking at normal speed. Do we press shift? Oh no. Oh, I forgot the capital S there. That is nothing major. You guys still have to subscribe. Alright, so we're back in. This should work. Alright, we're here. Yep, when you press shift, it goes a lot faster. Then you press shift again, it goes back to normal. And again, it's faster, it's slower. So yeah, that is today's video. Let's see if we can hit 50 subs by the end of October, guys. I'll be giving away 100 Robux if we can. So join the Roblox group, join the Discord server. And, yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.